Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add coins to watchlist on CoinGecko application using your mobile device. Adding coins to your watchlist on CoinGecko is one of the easiest ways to track price movements, market caps, and daily performance of your favorite cryptocurrencies all in one place. Whether you are using the CoinGecko website or mobile app, this method will help you stay updated on your selected coins. First of all, launch open the CoinGecko application on your device, or you may also go visit coingecko.com on a browser. Make sure to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up to one. Now, once you're inside the main homepage of CoinGecko, go to the search icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Search for the cryptocurrency or the coin's name in the search bar. For example, I'm gonna look for BTC. After you're inside the detailed page of the coin, go to the top right corner and tap on the star icon and select your portfolio where you want to add the coin on. After you do that, you will be able to add the coin to your watch list. After the star turns yellow, this means that the coin is added to your watch list. You can add as many coins as you want, from Bitcoin to new altcoins, and remove them anytime by simply tapping on the star icon and then clicking on your portfolio and clicking on remove coin. So that is how you will be able to add a coin to your watch list on CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.